Hi viewers, and welcome to another episode of On the Farm, where we're vocal about everything local. I am Shakima Hanley. On this episode, we'll be showing you highlights from the Fish Festival 2025 that was housed right here at the waterfront. So Fish Festival is an initiative where the members of the Fisheries Corp provide sustainable fish practices along with the aim of having a variety of seafood dishes available for the general public to partake in, educational dialogues, fun games and music for everyone to enjoy. But before we get into the highlights, we take a short break and be right back after this. And we're back. Let's take you into some of the highlights from Fish Festival 2025. Our vendors that are present, and we are starting with National Bank. First, we want to say thank you so very much for always being a sponsor for our Fish Festival. As a representative, tell us, how do you feel National Bank being able to be a part of such initiative?
All right. Well, thank you, of course, for the opportunity to be a sponsor this year once again. At National Bank, we often feel that the key of our people throughout the entire federation, it is at the core of our institution's existence. And so we can't miss out on opportunities like these to serve our community and to serve our people. So it's always a pleasure to partner and to see our businesses, our enterprises thrive.
So tell us a little bit what National Bank have to offer here today.
Well, like I say, we really do enjoy making sure that we can be a part of the growth of our people. Today, we are offering information as it relates to our two business loans, the Business Flex and the Business Startup. We're also promoting our No loans where you can get up to 40,000 unsecured. We also have something special brewing just for Culturama, just for the Nivision people. So stay tuned for that.
All right. Thank you very much, Ms. Fleming, for speaking with us. And thanks again to National Bank for always being on board. And we look forward to their continued support for Fish Festival annually.
Of course, it is always our pleasure. Remember, National Bank is always here for you.
So, Sheila, tell us why you guys decided to be here at Fish Festival today.
Okay, so basically we're from the St. Kitts and Nevis Solid Waste Management in collaboration with ICDX Recycling Project, which I'm the coordinator of. So today, any given opportunity to promote waste separation and recycling of plastics, we'll take up the opportunity. So we're very grateful to you guys for inviting us along today. So as you can see, we have a table full of games, they're awareness games, and whether you get them correct or not, you will be given a prize just for taking part in the exercise. And it's information that you can take away and remember. So that's why we're here today. We also have a bin specifically for plastic bottles only. And whilst I'm here, I'm promoting next week, Friday, we'll be at ex-petrol camps collecting plastics. We do a fortnightly tent collection. And on a Wednesday, we call it a global round. So we're encouraging everybody here who's listening or not listening, or pass on the information. We're here to collect all your plastics. It's really important because we have a very overworked landfill.
I must say this is very important because and timely, especially because we're here at Fish Festival. And these are all things that are related to the marine. And we tend to do our damage, not disposing our waste properly, especially plastic, and then they go down into the ocean and help to destroy our marine ecosystem. So it is, somebody might question why solid waste is here. They have to be here because they are the ones that are going to also help us to ensure that we protect our marine ecosystem. So thank you, Solid Waste, for being on board and continue doing the wonderful work, okay? All right. So we're going to have the gentleman to tell us a little bit about his business that is being displayed here.
Well, a pleasant good afternoon again. My name is Spice. So you have Spice Aquatics. We supply aquariums, aquatic animals and plants. So we have a lot of ornamental fishes here, as people say, live fish. So we have them. We have goldfish. We have the betta fish over here. We have some rosy bobs. We have some hilaries, mollies, fancy guppies, different colors, shape, and sizes. We also have some fish tanks, pumps, filters, lights, you name it, nets. We got it all.
And what are the price ranges like for these items here today?
Well, for today, right, we're focusing on today, right?
Yes.
It's all about Fish Festival. I want to make sure everybody happy, all the kids, family, So we have a range from $10 up to $50, but on regular it might be a little more, it varies. But from 3 o'clock today, if you buy 5 fishes, you get 1 free. So you buy any 5, you get 1 free. So for the people out there who love fishes and they want to add to your aquariums, add to your ornamental fishes at home, in your offices, wherever they are, outside in the yard, you can come here, buy 5 fishes, you get 1 free. If you buy a fish tank from me, you get 2 fishes with it.
So that is for who is on the go. But for my viewers who's going to see this later, tell them they're not here, they're unable to make it today. How can they get in contact with you so that they be able to get some of these items from you?
Well, you can call me at 663-0450, or you can go to spiceaquatics.com, email me at spiceaquatics.com. So, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Everybody knows Spice. So just call the number, you find me. If you don't know me, you find somebody who must know me.
Thank you, Spice.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tracy Aguirre, and I'm here on behalf of Creative Cultured Creations, or Creative Tracy.
So what do you have happening here today?
So here we have hand-painted earrings, and we also doing a little bit of face painting or hand painting, depends on what you want. And it's all marine themed. So turtles and sharks and starfish and all the fun things.
So if I want a mermaid on my cheek, I could get it?
Definitely.
I won't come back. Well, thank you so very much and continue to enjoy Fish Festival.
Fresh local fruit and vegetables produced for our nourishment. Buy local, eat local.
When you hear the rhythm, start to move.
So we have four lovely judges. For the appetizer round, we have Miss Danielle Taylor.
Give it up.
You're not gonna raise your hand?
Rep.
And her face is familiar. She was one of the winners, isn't it?
First
Yes. First time winner. And then we have Rodel Rollins, the man himself. We have Delon Harris. Okay, welcome. And you only represent from Islander. Lovely. Oh, Rodel is from Nice Painters.
Yes.
And then we have, of course, a representative from National Bank, and your name is? Saneldo Willie. All right. Now let's have from National Bank on board for sure. So judges, welcome. Chef, are you ready? Okay. So the first one is our appetizer round. You have 35 minutes. 35 minutes. The chef must prepare your appetizer using the fish provided. Fun fact, there is no secret ingredient in this round. So what you have, you work with, okay? And you must include a sauce unless you're making a soup. Again, you must include a sauce unless you're making a soup. So if you're doing a soup, no sauce. Good. And you have to do 4 plated dishes. We have to do 5 plated dishes, 4 for the judges, 1 for me, of course, because I have to eat as well. But yes, 4 plated dishes for your judges. We ready?
My name is Quincy Bat. I'm the Plant Health and Plant Quarantine Officer. I would just like to notify farmers and backyard farmers that we here at the Department of Agriculture identify a new type of pest that is prevalent in the Malvaceae family. When we're talking about Malvaceae family, we're talking about okra, sorrel, cotton, and also some of the Solanaceae families such as eggplant, sweet pepper. This pest we found to be a leaf hopper. The leaf hopper is a small pest and it's a sucking insect. This sucking insect serves as a vector for a virus that affects these host plants. So the pest, it's green, pale green, and it has flying capabilities, and it's very, very prolific. Signs and symptoms of the pest is that it sucks the plant and transmits a disease, and this disease you can see crinkling of the leaves, yellow lesions of the leaves, and necrotic lesions, and it affects the yield significantly. So once you see that in your okras, your sorrel, eggplants, give us a call and we're able to give you guidance on how to control this pest. Thank you.
And there you have it, viewers, another episode of On the Farm, where we're vocal about everything local. Just to recap this episode, we showed you highlights from Fish Festival 2025. We spoke to vendors, our major sponsors, and persons that were here showcasing how marine aspect can be incorporated in their business. Additionally, we had the highly anticipated every year cooking competition, where we had 2 courses where the persons, chefs across the island, had to participate in and display tasty and beautiful dishes in order to win the competition. This year competition was won by Mr. Livy, who is a chef from the Golden Rock. And we encourage you to make sure you look out for Fish Festival 2026 next year, same place, same time, right here at the waterfront. Until next time, I am Shakima Hanley. Bye. Remember, we are vocal about everything local.